what are our thoughts on society? किस चीज को आप society कहते हैं? So one could say on a range of parameters, but there are few connections societies are not very happy about. Think of intercaste relations. Our society is really happy about that? Not really, unless we are talking about radical progressive societies, right? So let's keep brainstorming. जैसे आपने कहा मल्टीकल्चरल, तो फिर एक काउंटर थीसिस इसमें यह है कि क्या कोई ऐसा समाज हो सकता है जो मोनोकल्चरल हो, कि उस समाज के बारे में क्या कहें जहां पर एक ही जबान बोली जाती? इज दैट अ सोसाइटी और दैट्स नॉट अ सोसाइटी? कहने का मतलब ये है कि वो कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जिसके बगैर आप सोसाइटी को कंसेप्चुअलाइज ही नहीं कर सकते हैं। जैसे अक्सर लोगों ने कहा ग्रुप, तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि विदाउट अ सर्टेन पॉपुलेशन you cannot conceptualize society. Can you think of a society without a population dimension? अब जैसे फेसबुक कम्युनिटीज हैं, क्या हम इनको सोसाइटी कहेंगे? अब कुछ लोग कहते हैं बिल्कुल, कुछ लोग कहते हैं नहीं साहब, कोई चांस ही नहीं है. डोंट रिड्यूस द आइडिया ऑफ सोसाइटी टू दिस ऑनलाइन सुपरफिशियलिटी. एक तो हो गया, लोग होने बहुत जरूरी है. यू कांट थिंक ऑफ अ सोसाइटी विदाउट, तो एक चीज पॉपुलेशन, एक हो गया कल्चर. यू कैनॉट थिंक ऑफ अ सोसाइटी विदाउट थिंकिंग ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक टेरिटोरियल डायमेंशन. अ सोसाइटी हैज टू हैव अ स्पेशियल एस्पेक्ट टू इट, राइट? द सूनर यू इनिशिएट योरसेल्फ इनटू इट, द बेटर. क्योंकि नॉर्म्स, रूल्स, वैल्यूज एक्सेट्रा, दे ऑल कम अंडर द ब्रॉडर एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल रेफरेंस कॉल्ड culture. And culture, the long and short of it, is the way people live their lives, right? So if we at all share a certain similarity in terms of the ways in which we live our day-to-day lives, it's primarily to do with the fact that there are cultural similarities, there are overlaps, right? Example दीजिए कोई एक society का जहाँ पे government नहीं होती है. Okay, so long, of course there's more to it. So we start with something that is absolutely fundamental. Then actually population, territory, it's a divided house. आप territory से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं. कुछ लोग हैं जो एक territory को inhabit करते हैं. Now there are terms on the basis of which these people live their lives. Now that's to do with culture. Culture में ही language आ जाएगी. तो कोई ऐसी society बताएं जिसमें territory का concept नहीं है. और मैं पहले कह चुका हूँ virtual communities को भी हम consider. वहाँ पे even that has an element of territory, by the way. So the digital world is also territorial in a different sense. But let's not go there. Let's think about the ways in which we think about human societies. See, the point is, the moment you look into this, you automatically are getting into the territorial component. Where on earth, in fact, that in itself is a territorial reference. So if in India, of course, regions come to our rescue in terms of understanding certain, I wouldn't use the word boundaries, but certain, let's say, lines through which we understand कि ये उस culture से हैं और हम इस culture से हैं. So that's where territory again. So you identify. I'm not at all romanticizing it कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Maybe आने वाले दिनों में हो सकता है territory will not remain a very important reference. But as we speak, 2024, territory still remains a very important reference in relation to coming up with a very concise, comprehensive understanding of society. Because the moment we are referring to population, तो ये population कहीं ना कहीं तो अपने आप को unfold कर रही है ना. ये it's interacting, it is getting into all kinds of interdependent relations, etc. So that is where territory is an important reference. So my suggestion would be that you please start learning how to make notes as early as you can. The sooner you start, the sooner you initiate yourself into it, the better, right? And this is not simply in relation to the competition. I think in general, as students, learners, it's good to know. It's good to sort of initiate ourselves into this incredible art of note making.